Okay, transmitter 2 is disconnected from power. See what it does now. 10's back, which is good. It's the only one it should get. Got 51 though. It's annoying. Because there is no 51. Doesn't matter. Maybe we should turn that off. First time I did a scan, it added channel 10, which is the only one it should add. So. Oh, okay, we could put in any channel now. Okay, I think so. Maybe. Stereo? It says stereo, but it's not in stereo. Huh. Okay, that's weird. Huh. Weird. Oh, that does it. Samsung TV. Weird one with the logo at the top. I think I forgot to plug something in. Of course, I taped over the power LED. Yep. I unplugged an extension cord.
Here we go. Contact it.
Relaxium, of course. At least it's not Skyrizi. If I switched it back to channel 10, it would be too loud. So I guess these Insignia Zenith DTV converter boxes are too quiet. The AGC in the camera is cranking up the brightness. Usually never set the settings to where they look good on camera. I just adjust the camera, but I can't. Great picture. Damn you.
The forecast key messages from North and Central Texas. Forget messy bag-breaking scrubbing. Our triple rotating and safe nylon brushes.
I only watch Bones on here, but it's Ion Mystery, but unlike Ion, it's not 720. It's 480, which is fine, but the brain failure.
We made it, the melon. Thank you so much, Cindy, and Meaningful Beauty.
Now I totally forgot. That's nice. Oh, Ion is 720. But no, that's right. It's 480, which is fine. Charge is 480, but it's too low bit rate.
So many people in my life, and 20 years ago we decided together to do Meaningful Beauty, and Meaningful Beauty was my way of bringing
Still not
access
55.
to everything that I learned from.
Every once in a while, I can't get this one. Just KAZD. 52, who cares, because it's worthless. It's not it. It's right here. Nope. Let me turn the monitor off. Causes interference. You can see the pincushion issue at the bottom, but I tweaked with the yoke and couldn't fix it. So that's like this picture on the camera. I mean, turn all the lights off. No difference.
doesn't sit still. It moves. Here, just speak up.
There we go. No. The fuck? Fucking bullshit.
Every night. I look forward to it.
Shut up.
Then, Morrow shared some of his favorite painting accessories.
Oh. I moved an inch forward.
Say, look, I want you to pray for my business, pray for my church pastors. If you're watching right now, call in, make a... The rejuvenation begin with Dr. Savant's...
Bullshit. Yeah, I can. Whoops. Not gonna help putting it in the closet. As soon as I mute it, blackout. That looks right. It's a 4x3 channel. Meet the source. So you're not losing a whole lot of info. It's true, look. It's called pillar boxing. Pillars are added because you're exporting it as a 16:9 file when the source is 4x3 and the battery's gonna die. So we'll end it here.